Hi, and welcome to Blue Cross. We want to make sure you're in control of your healthcare expenses and that you understand your costs and savings opportunities. A health savings account, commonly known as an HSA, is a way for you to set aside pre-tax money and use it to pay healthcare expenses for you and your family. Technically, those family members included on your tax return. The money you've set aside rolls over from year to year, too, so you can use it to help pay for qualifying healthcare expenses when you need it, even after retirement. You may be wondering how this is different from any other type of savings account. Here's how it works. Typically, federal and state taxes come out of your paycheck when you're paid. But with an HSA, money from your paycheck goes straight into your savings account without being taxed. There are several different ways this could work, so always talk with an expert to answer any questions. You can use money from your HSA to cover medical expenses like doctor visits and prescriptions, dental expenses like root canals or braces, vision expenses like glasses and contacts, and even services like acupuncture and chiropractic care. You can also use your HSA to pay for other qualifying expenses like aspirin, diabetic supplies, first aid supplies, sunscreen, and much more. Check out hsastore.com for a more complete list of over-the-counter items you can pay for with your HSA funds. And one more thing, if you're between jobs and have coverage through COBRA, you can use your HSA account to pay COBRA premiums, especially if you know you or your family expect certain healthcare expenses throughout the year or in the future. Again, HSAs don't have a time limit, so balances roll over each year. They also earn interest, just like a regular savings account. The amount you contribute can be adjusted throughout the year, but they do have an annual cap or limit to the amount you're allowed to contribute per year. This limit is set by the IRS and usually increases slightly each year. Most people don't know that an HSA is also a great way to save for retirement too. You can maximize your tax-free earnings by investing a portion of your HSA funds. The funds belong to you, even if you change jobs. And you can leave the money in your HSA to a selected beneficiary, just like you can with other accounts. When you retire, your HSA can help you cover medical expenses and some Medicare premiums. It can also be used to pay for vision, hearing, and dental expenses that may not be covered by a Medicare plan. It's easy to make payments from your HSA. You'll get a debit card when you set up your account. You can use that to pay your share of the cost of care. And your plan may have an integrated option that makes it even easier to use your HSA funds. Your employer may offer other types of spending accounts that give you more flexibility to save for care and other expenses. We've got more details about some of these accounts on our website, bcbst.com. Remember, if you have questions about your HSA, we're right here. Just reach out to our member care team by phone, on our app, or online chat.